Assalamualaikum to Puan. My name is Siti Mas Ania Kirana Muhammad Yusof. My matric number 23DLS19F2051. My group member is Nur Hazira binti Mansur, Nurul Farina Hashikin binti Rozlan, Muhammad Darul Firdaus bin Salahuddin, and Muhammad Muzammil bin Jamil. We all from DLS 2A. We want to present about current technology in transportation. The technology that we choose is flying taxi. An air taxi is a small commercial aircraft which make a short flight on demand. Whether it is a start-up or large company, flying taxi will be the future of transportation industry. Uber has announced to come with flying taxi by 2023 under the assistance of NASA. The goal of Uber is focused on building a flying taxi that is electrically powered and flies passengers to their destination. An example of such a flying taxi is Volocopter, and an autonomous aircraft with electric power. As now of, Volocopter is under test in Dubai. The drone flew upwards of 200 meters during its first public test. Next, I will pass to Nur Hazira binti Mansur.
Now I will present about advantages and disadvantages of flying taxis. The advantages of flying taxis is minimizing traffic pollution. Contohnya, kita menaiki flying taxi ni, kita dapat mengurangkan kesesakan lalu lintas. Number 2 is lower emissions. Number 3, they can travel shorter distances to make the same journey. Masa perjalanan kita tu lebih cepat bila kita menggunakan flying taxi ni tanpa kesesakan lalu lintas. Number 4, frees up the city road for pedestrians and cyclists. Contohnya, orang yang berjalan kaki, kenderaan lain, orang yang menaiki basikal bebas menggunakan jalan raya kalau tak ada kesesakan lalu lintas. And the last, less need for on-the-ground infrastructure. The disadvantages is emission over short distances could be higher. Number 2, they cannot carry many passengers compared to other public transport. Contohnya, flying taxi ni dia tak boleh bawa ramai penumpang berbanding dengan bas. Number 3 is cost. Cost flying taxi ni lebih mahal sebab dia menggunakan bahan api yang sangat kuat. Number 4 is take off and landing infrastructure. And the last is noise. Noise dia bising sebab dia menggunakan kipas macam helikopter tu untuk terbang. So dia jadi agak bising kalau kita menggunakan flying taxi.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hazira binti Mansur. Number matrix is 23DLS19F2037. I'm from DLS 2A. I want to talk about creator of flying taxi. First, inside an aircraft hangar about 30 km from central Munich, Daniel Wiegand left the door of a prototype that he said would become one of the world's first flying taxis. Second, a lot is riding on his aircraft. Wiegand, 34, is the chief executive and a founder of Lilium, one of the most promising and secretive startup in the global race to build an all-electric aircraft that will, regulators and public opinion willing, move passengers above cities. Third, this is the perfect means of transportation, something that can take off and land everywhere. It's very fast, very efficient and low noise. Fourth, the engines are packed inside 4 wings with flaps that rotate so the aircraft can take off and land vertically like a helicopter. There is companies of flying taxi. First, Airbus. Second, Joby Aviation. Third, Kitty Hawk. Fourth, Terrafugia. 5, Uber Air. 6, Volocopter, and the last is Lilium. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Salahuddin, number 23 DLS 19F2029, the Dubai Head Flying Taxi. The Dubai Road and Transport Authority (RTA) announced the signing of an agreement with the German Volocopter company, a specialist in the manufacturing of autonomous air vehicles, to launch the first vehicle capable of carrying 2 passengers. The trial operation of taxi began in 2017. The Volocopter is the first manned, fully electric vertical take-off and landing aircraft. This vehicle is designed to carry 2 people. The autonomous air taxi has a variety of unique features highlighted by top security and safety standards and multiple redundancy in all critical components such as propeller, motors, power source, electronic and flight control.
Thank you, Muhammad Daril. Next is it also fit with a full aircraft emergency parachute, non-independent battery systems, battery quick change and plug-in system, and fast battery charging time of 40 minutes. The move also features Dubai's smart autonomous mobility strategy that seeks to transform a quarter of the total mobility journeys in Dubai into autonomous transport by 2030. Another objective is to enhance the integration between mass transit modes and people's happiness by providing smooth, fast and innovative transit modes. Altair 8. A delegation from RTA visits several autonomous vehicle manufacturers, and the German Volocopter company was selected thanks to its compliance with the international safety and security standards and passing the rigorous standards of the German Aviation Authority, which apply the highest safety and security in designing and operating aircraft, said Altair. That's all from us, and thank you. Assalamualaikum.